Hi guys, Donnie Mercado Giannacchio from TADA Acting Studio. I have a few students online with me after our improv class who have graciously stayed late to allow me to ask them a couple questions. Ms. M.
Love seeing people. Just being able to connect with friends even when we're supposed to stay home at night.
Miss Amy, what are some of the things we've been doing differently to make it interesting for us?
Since, we just came from improv class, which obviously there's a lot of things that we won't be able to do online because we can't get up and act with each other, but we've been, I'm wearing a wig, and we've been able to work more on our character building, which has been really fun, and that's easier to do online.
Ms. OWO, and obviously I've asked the kids to change their names. Was it easier to transition to online learning in this class than you thought?
At first I expected it to be pretty difficult, but there's plenty of opportunities and things that we've been able to adapt for the online course that I think have made it a lot easier than I expected.
Cool. Ms. Lucas, thank you for using your pseudonym. What is your favorite part about coming to class with us weekly?
The getting to just kind of become someone else for an hour, in escaping stress and life requirements that all of our other Zoom meetings have. It's a break.
Nice. Thank you for that. That's a huge compliment. And last but not least, my friend up there with the gorgeous hairdo. Do you find our classes easy to follow? Is it well organized? I'm going to be sharing my little tools with the people who see this. So do you find it easy to follow?
Yeah, I think it's really good and well organized, and the way that the Google Classroom is organized is really nice because we can just go on there and find the link for the Zoom meetings, and we can find all the games and all that. I think it's very good and easy to follow.
Yay! Okay, so we're going to end with a virtual applause, which is one of our things. It's an inside joke from our improv class. Thank you very much. I love you all. See you next week. And I'll see Miss Amy in 5 minutes in singing class.